Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip5 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, you need to access Messages app and select or create a chat. Now tap on this little icon with a photo and the camera at the bottom left corner and click on all of your photos that you wish to add right away. If you wish to, you can also click on Folders and select your photos from here by holding the one that you wish to add or tapping on it. As you can see, after that, all of my pictures were successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!